Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first start this comparison with the display comparison. Yeah, these two models comes with a huge 6.9 inches of enormous displays. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with the LTPO Pro Retina XDR display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate Pro Motion display, and it is protected by the ceramic shield protection. And the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra mobile comes with the same 6.9 inches of huge display, and it is a dynamic AMOLED 2x resolution 120Hz refresh rate 2K plus resolution display, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass armor protection. When we talk about the processors, the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with the A18 Pro Bionic chip, runs on the top of iOS 18. It is a 3nm based processor, where the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Galaxy, which is specially customized for Galaxy mobiles, and it is also a octa-core 3nm based 5G processor, and it runs on Android version 15 out of the box with One UI 7. When we talk about these mobiles cameras, the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with the triple rear cameras, a 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera, 48 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a 12 megapixels of periscopic lens. Where the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra mobile comes with the quad rear cameras, 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera, and a 10 megapixels of telephoto lens. For the front, these two models comes with the almost same 12 megapixels of front facing selfie cameras. And when we talk about the battery, the iPhone 16 Pro Max precisely comes with a 4685 milliamps of battery, and it supports 25 watts of charge through wire, and 15 watts of QA MagSafe charge, and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. Where the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a 5000 milliamps of huge battery, and it comes with a 45 watts of fast charge through wire, and 25 watts of reverse charge, and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. These two mobiles, when we talk about these two mobiles multimedia, these two mobiles comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jacks. When we talk about these mobiles connectivity, these two mobiles comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a Bluetooth 5.3, where the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a Bluetooth 5.4, slight upgrade. And these two mobiles comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, everything, and NFC also. These two mobiles comes with the USB 3.2 Gen ports, so you can also connect the streaming devices like Elgato and everything. And these two mobiles also supports Dolby Vision, but there is no Dolby audio support, I think. And when we talk about these two mobiles build quality, these two mobiles are made up of front and back glasses, and the frame is the metal frame. And the extra thing you can get with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is that a S Pen, which obviously you don't get from the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but that's the difference. When we talk about the memory variants and availability, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is available in 3 variants right now. The base variant is being the 256GB internal storage variant, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be available in 2 variants. The base variant being the 16GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage. When we compare the prices, the iPhone 16 Pro Max was available at 37,999. I mean, like the 1,37,000 rupees, 999 plus 1,39,000 rupees. But the S25 Ultra mobile is available at 1,39,000, almost 1,40,000 rupees. Slight difference, like 1,000 rupees difference based on the region and the prices on the daily basis. So, which one to choose? And one more thing, these two mobiles also supports IP68 water and dust resistance also. And by the way, these two mobiles doesn't come with any charges included in the box of these two respected mobiles. And when we talk about the which one to buy, obviously if you are an Android lover and want the top of the line features with an S Pen, go with the Samsung. And if you are a iOS lover, and if you want a future proof, secure proof, and like the iPhone gut feeling mobile, just go with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So that's all. That's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's the most important thing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.